Here we are at Lincoln High Street level crossing, misuse in Lincoln with LC Trains, Delta Australia, OB Studio Train Spotting, and Fairbury United down the first two go.
Hang on, here we go. It's the walking brolly.
Misuse!
And we'll see you in court tomorrow morning.
Down the other two go.
Oh, I got wet.
Bonk.
Right, time now 30:18 on Saturday the
13:15 East Midlands Railway Service from Peterborough to Puddle, Doncaster.
Thank you, Andrew.
I'm the idiot who just missed me.
In wet shear, it's so wet.
Yes, it is. It's really
Here we are at Lincoln High Street level
Oh, hang on.
crossing in
There we go, the
Wetshire
camera's
with
back.
LC Trains.
Hi.
Doncaster, isn't it?
Also, there's a massive fault with this plan. You're not going to guess. It's not arrived yet. He's not even got the road through Cincinnati yet.
No, it's not. This is for a 400, 1313, 2 kilo town East Midlands Railway Service from Peterborough to Doncaster.
Thank you, Delta Australia.
158780.
Well, you'll never guess where it is. Hang
I've
on,
got
let me
a
spin
lot
this
of
this way.
editing
Come
to
on.
do to beep out the swell. Nuzzy! Oh, is this from the Norris Nuts? Congratulations.
1.5 minutes you've been waiting. That barrow's still moving.
Dad, are you enjoying getting wet? Are you enjoying getting wet, you duck?
Oh, bloody hell. I'm not looking up there because it just gets rain in my eyes.
Quack, quack.
Yay, quack, quack.
Yeah, we're not so advanced for anything's water resistant.
Has he even got the road freshness up?
I'm not sure because my train describer's running behind it.
Look over the barrow, see if Sitzel Bank's down.
I can't because they've got the massive infrastructure there.
Is it me? Is it me?
Why have you put us down so
He's going through the platform now and he's got to pick up and drop off yet.
What platform's going in?
Congratulations, now we're just standing on We're under the sky. Now go up.
Yay.
And Lucas just standing there not moving. The rain's
I'm going back over here now you've said that.
Yes, Lucas is just standing there getting wet.
What platform is he in?
We've got the road from it now.
It's me.
We've just got the road for
It's a
it.
picture of me trying to hold the trolley.
Wasn't a very good sport.
Oh, here it is, I can hear it.
It's
I
3,
mean,
isn't it?
he's not cold yet.
Do not put your foot one step back, Lucas, or you will fall
I can
into
hear it,
that.
but I can't see it.
Right. It's in 3, isn't
I'll
it?
see trains.
3A.
February
You've
90.
killed something or
Delta
someone's
Australia.
lost a part of
OB
the
Studio Train Spotting, Fairbury United, Delta Australia.
foot. And that thing. I don't know if it's a hood
And
or
me.
a squirrel.
It's gone into 3A, hasn't it?
Yeah, 3.
Ooh, what the heck's
I don't know if it's a hood or a squirrel. I'm not
Oh,
really
finally, the sun's coming out. Hopefully this bad weather will
face on
go
it.
away.
It's still raining.
that? No, it's a hairy dog.
My fingers are cold and I'm wearing gloves. Or don't even try
Get a poke.
Thank you.
The belly's going up and down like what those? Am I on the way?
Yes. A little bit, because I don't see the train.
So is everyone else.
I didn't get the photo in the last closure of that train.
you anyway.
Yeah, no, why did they put us down so early when there's nothing coming?
We only picked up this strategy from last May's
I loose tension the cable. Well, it's a little bit tight, but a little bit loose. As you can see down the bottom end of the barrier.
all just ran away.
Well, so have you.
Your umbrella's blocking my camera.
Well, congratulations. And the thing is,
ability to through trains and not have to keep them held if they got a short leg.
Are you filming?
No.
Are you going to film the rain or? Oh, should we go home? Should we do this for the rain or? Hi.
I dread to think what everyone thinks.
Hello. Hello, Lucas's video. Hello, Lee's video.
Side assistance is not.
Hello, OV Studio Train Spotting.
Hello, Lee's video.
Hello, LC Trains.
Whoops. My phone keeps slipping out of my hand because of how. Yeah, because of how slippery.
Oh, you've got 4K 60 FPS, haven't you?
Yeah, I got HD
And
60.
I've got frozen toes and fingers.
I just go in 720p, I think, and then I've got 30 FPS.
But
usually.
when I move it, it's like it's in 4K.
Yeah, mine's not as smooth as
Is that it leaving now? Here it is.
780, I think, according to real
We've
time.
got. We've got
You better move before the train runs you over.
158780. From Peterborough to Doncaster and
Frozen things.
180, 110 for me.
Well, we've got 3 minutes till the next one. I don't know the choice.
up they go.
Go. Right, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.
Choo choo.
Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.